It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the sprocket wreath. Isn't it kind of neat? We've got all kinds of parts in store for you. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Check out this bearing lollipop. But the prettiest side you'll see are these gears from Christmas tree in our rebuild shop. There is a pilot tree in our laboratory made by our electrical elves. Motor reindeer with some green mistletoe is the fear of human resources. And all our folks have decorated their cubes once again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the corporate lobby. Andy is mighty jolly. He's outside sipping cocoa in the courtyard. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the pounds will start. So we hope Santa Claus won't be too fat for our chimney with our stockings hung. But the prettiest sight you'll see are these gears turned Christmas tree in our rebuild shop.